There is another popular scam that is spreading like wildfire in the digital India. This scam is called the KYC Update Scam. What is KYC Update Scam? KYC Update Scam is very interesting and simple. What happens is an attacker sends a random message from a random number. This random message says your bank account is suspended. To reactivate, fill in the KYC details. As simple as that. So what you do, you click on that link to fill the KYC details. Upon clicking on the link actually does not open you a form to fill. Instead, it takes you to another website where you download a mobile application on your Android or iPhone, right? So what happens is you are not taken to a Play Store or you are not taken to App Store. You are taken to a third-party site where you download this APK, which is a lookalike of a popular banking application. So what happens? You do not know if it is a true app or if it is a trustworthy app by the bank. Instead, you just install it. What actually happens here is this application gets installed upon your permission, starts listening to SMSs. Start listening to calls. SMSs include OTPs, etc. Right? So there are high chances these applications will constantly look for OTPs in your SMSs and pass this information back to the particular attacker. These applications are popularly the remote administration tool kind of applications, and it has become very popular. In India, the CERT, which is the Computer Emergency Response Team of India, has also released an advisory about the same attack that is happening across not just one or two banks, but also targeted for every single banks. No banks send a link asking you to fill in a particular form to reactivate your account, right? Instead, the simplest thing you can do is go to the bank which is right next to your house and do this manually to make sure you are not falling victim to cyber attacks. In case you find this content useful, or in case you think someone else needs this content, please consider sharing and subscribing. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights on cybersecurity.